What's up guys? Ngayon maglalaro tayo ng 99 Nights in the Forest with my brother and my cousin. And we're just waiting for my cousin because he's taking so long. This is my brother. And
Hello here.
this is my cousin, Rhea.
Freya, not Freya.
Let's go now. Here.
Freya, let's go.
Hurry.
Freya, here.
Hurry. Yes.
Freya, in. Don't be scared, because we can flashbang the deer.
Yeah, don't be scared.
I'm the one that's gonna flashbang the deer.
So, guys, maglalaro na tayo.
It's so long.
Guys, kuha na tayo ng wood para maano natin ng fire natin.
Hi guys. So why is my there? I'm gonna kill you with my axe, Freya. No. Oh, a bunny. Kill it.
Yeah, kailangan natin ng bunny foot, Freya.
It's getting away. Yes! Yeah, use your saw!
I'm gonna steal this from. I'm gonna store the Ano ko yung bunny foot, kailangan ko yun eh. Okay?
I will get some extra wood.
Okay. Guys, wag nyo sabihin kay Freya, kinuha ko yung bunny foot niya, guys.
You know I farted, guys. There's a chest.
Where's the chest? Let's kill this bunny, guys. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Let's kill it.
Let it go. Don't let Elliot.
Okay.
Backup is on their way. I got some.
Guys, saan ka na? Guys, ano yan?
Your mom.
May wolf. Guys, may wolf. Basta tayo lang tayo dun. Let's kill the wolf. Oh, wolf! Guys!
Really?
Guys!
Bunny.
Guys!
Why you like killing bunny?
Yeah.
But it's really action.
Loves to me.
I have some dinner.
Kain mo na ako.
Right, we also need wood. I mean, we also need to eat too. That's why. What are you betting on?
Hatan, I don't know. What's the
I'm gonna be
cockfire?
the alpha of your squad, okay?
Guys, nasan yung cockfire? Nawawala na po kami.
Oh, there! Look at that fire!
Oh yeah, there. Nawala ako,
That is
guys.
approaching Freya. Go in the fire.
No! The cockfire. Get more wood.
But I have extra here. I'm so much. Yeah, don't steal me. Okay? Okay? Freya, stop stealing my thing!
Ano yan, guys? Ay, hindi ko pa alam.
Your battery, look. See?
Guys, habang naglalaro pa ako, pwede po kayo mag-sub. And like this, guys.
Where's my flashlight? I'm a camper plus place. Bye-bye.
Hindi ko makaka 1K sa sub. Guys, please. Hindi ko lang 1K
Yeah,
sub.
that deer doesn't attack.
At saka maging famous YouTuber.
Don't be scared of it.
Guys, please.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Flash so I can see clearly. Follow me because I can see clearly.
I can't see clearly, please.
But I can because I'm camper. Level 2. Better with the question my stuff is full. I have 15 sacks because I got 15 sacks. You see, it's a sampling unit. But look at this. But look at this. Don't fire. Follow me.
Guys, lagay ko na po yung bunny food
Rhea,
ko.
follow me. Look. Rhea, follow me.
I felt leader, hindi bunny food.
I need to kill this bunny so I can get bunny food. Yeah, 15 sacks.
How can we get... Bro, we can't even give bunny food. Guys, ba't bawal po kami maglagay ng bunny food? Ano po to? Ay. Ayaw nga po.
Oh, it's on chest.
Kaya.
It's right there. Booyah! Stop! I hate you.
There's nothing.
Yeah. Bruh! That was mine!
Sorry.
Ready? Me.
Why? Guys,
Kill mine.
guys, nagalit po si Ading. Nakuha ko po yung ano na eh. Guys, tayo na lang dalawa. Tayo na lang dalawa yung ano. Kami na lang dalawa ni Freya yung pinsan ko. Galit na si Ading po eh. Hindi ka na raw. So guys, ba't mo may bunny food dito? Kuhan ko na lang.
I had food for days, but I'm not gonna help you anymore. Y'all get food for days.
Okay. Guys, kuhan ko ng wood. Guys, kuha na tayo ng wood. Late is approaching, guys. Bilisan ko, guys. Dalawa. Tatlo. Balik na po ako, guys. No! No! Why, bro? Somewhere deep in the forest. So guys, nalobat po ako kaya kailangan ko po nag-ano. So, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.